Hello there everyone, and welcome to my channel. My name is Dee, and I'm a dance teacher and dance sport competitor. In addition to all forms of partner dancing, I also really love makeup and costuming. Just as I believe that dancing is for everybody, I also believe that makeup is for everyone as well. Here at Vitamin D, you'll find tutorials for dancers of all ages, shapes, and sizes, ranging from basic makeup routines, how to create a look for a specific dress, how to highlight your best features and discover your own style, product reviews, ideas for designing a dress or a show dance costume, and tips and tricks for getting the most out of a competition. And tackle all those pesky frustrations you might have, like lashes, or glitter, self-tanner, and how to pack efficiently for an away comp. And everything you find here can be used for any sort of high-impact performance, like figure skating or drag. Anything that loves glitter and rhinestones has a home here. Little she-ra gauntlets. Pow. All this and anything else related to beauty and dance sport style will be right here. Just click that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and you won't miss a thing. And make sure to come back soon for your daily dose of vitamin D. It's good for you. Have a wonderful day and happy dancing.